welcome back. Today's tutorial is going to be about how to add paint accessories like brush, roller and much more. Let's get started. Once you log in, go to the top left corner, click on Manage Products and then Create New Product. Click on the category section. You can type in manually or scroll down. Select Paint Accessories. For the product name, make sure your product name consists of brand, product name and size. For example, the brand would be Build Skill, product name is Paintbrush and size 3 inches. Moving on to the brand, search for your brand. If your brand is not available, you can select generic. Choose the warranty period of your product. Let's say 45 days. Specifications. Select the type. You have multiple types here, like brush, palette knives, roller, sponge and so on. Let us select brush. This is the variants and prices section. Select your variant type, size, enter the variant value, 3 inches, minimum order quantity, that is the least your customer can order at the given offer price. This is the unit of measurement. Let's select pieces, currency, price per unit, 250 for 3 inches and after discounted price, 220. If you want to add 4-inch size brush, you can choose on Add Variant. Click on Add Variant, select the variant type, size, enter the variant value, 4-inch, minimum order quantity, unit of measurement, pieces, currency, price, 350 after discounted price, 300. Moving on to the product description. This is what describes your product in detail so that your buyer will understand your product better. Next comes the product keyword search. You can add up to 5 keywords here. Paintbrush. Make sure you click enter after each keyword or add after each keyword. Wooden handle brush. Enter. 3-inch brush. Enter. And so on. Now comes the product media. Add up to 5 images. Make sure your images are with a good background, preferably white background. And add clear images for better visibility. Click on Add Image. Select the image, open. Click on Add Image. And so on. This is the product data sheet. This helps the buyer understand the product more technically. Click on Add PDF. Select the folder, open. Click on Create Product. And that's it. Your product is now live on Unlock Civil to get more leads. Our next tutorial is about adding hardware fittings. Do watch our next video.